Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to enjoy your life and wants to accomplish your goals while enjoying and not by worrying, then this book is for you. I am talking about the book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. How to Stop Worrying and Start Living book is written by Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie is a self-help author. It is published in 1944. More than 6 million copies of this book has been sold. Today we will discuss the 6 best ideas that I have learned from this book. These ideas becomes most favorite of mine. The first lesson that I have learned from this book is that make a plan. You have to make a plan about your worries. You should make a list of your worries, like what exactly am I worried about? What is under my control to stop it? What and when will I do that work? You can do it at specific time and place. You should clear about specific time and place. Then your worry starts leaving you and happiness starts knocking your door. Move on to the next lesson. The second lesson that I had learned is live in day-tight compartments. The author describes that like a giant ship's watertight compartment, if one compartment has leakage, then the various parts of the ship are shut off from one another, and so the leakage is limited to one area. And that's the idea that how we can implement it in our real life. Here is the answer. We have to shut the doors of past and future. Live in the present and start questioning to ourselves that what would we win today, rather than on thinking about past circumstances. Just focus on winning today. When you start on focusing today, then you will enjoy that day because you have ruined all the worries that burdens your mind. So start living present and enjoy the today. The third lesson that I have learned is create happiness for others. Our happiness lies only within us. Our aim is to shrink up and be with ourselves. We want to celebrate our happiness alone. But the main blessings of the happiness only comes when you make someone happy. If anyone is in need of yours, try to help him. He gets happy because his problems has been solved because of you. This happiness returns to you with 2 times. Means your happiness also gets doubles. The fourth lesson that I have learned is get busy. You should work so hard that you are exhausted by the end of the day. Lose yourself in an action and you will not get time to worry. The author takes example of a man who had lost his 5-year-old daughter, and he starts worrying and went to doctors. The doctor advised him to take a trip, but he cannot stop worrying. One day his 4-year-old son keeps insisting him to start making a toy boat for him. The man has no interest in making toy boat, but son keeps insisting upon. Then he has start making toy boat with his son for 3 hours. He now realizes that his being busy in work had cured his worry for the small time. So you also need to busy in your work to stop worrying about your problems. The fifth lesson is that accept what had happened. There is a famous quote that be willing to have it, so acceptance of what has happened is the first step to overcoming the consequences of any misfortune. So you have to accept what had happened or what is happened. Not blame yourself for the past circumstances or bad circumstances that had happened in your life. So accept what had happened in past. Live in today and enjoy the day. The next lesson and last lesson of this video is that miracle lies in your thoughts. It does not matter where you go. You will always be worried because there is one thing that is always with you. You yourself. There is nothing wrong with you. The problem is only with your thoughts. So you need to start think positive. then automatically the miracle of happiness lies from your thoughts to your real life. Remember all these points to start living a happy life. First, make a plan. Second, create happiness for others. Third, live in a day compartments. Fourth, get busy. Fifth, accept what had happened. Sixth, miracle lies in your thoughts. That's all in this video. Hope you subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends who are in worry and want to start living with full of happiness.